And today, I'm proud as a Prime Minister to be here to unlock the development potential of Rambe by officially opening the new jetty, a $3.1 million project designed to transform the lives of all of you. Fiji's other islands such as Rambe and its neighbors, including Kioa, possess significant natural resources. There are many opportunities for forestry, for fisheries, agriculture as well as tourism. But until now, the problem has been access. These islands have been too isolated for that potential to be unleashed, and they haven't had the necessary infrastructure. Subsistence agriculture is the mainstay of the economies of the islands. What income people do earn is mainly generated from cash sales of copra, kava, and fish, the same items that make up most of the trade with other islands. This new jetty that we're going to commission this afternoon will help open up this remote area of Fiji. It will, for the first time, provide an adequate loading and unloading facility that will cut down on transportation costs, reduce the time it takes to handle cargo, increase the frequency of shipping services, and make travel to and from Rambe much more convenient. All this means new opportunities for commerce and enterprise. Products grown, caught or created here can now more easily be brought to market elsewhere in the country. And goods from elsewhere can more easily be brought here. There is also a much better opportunity for Rambe to tap into Fiji's lucrative tourism market. My fellow Fijians, there is a major development project in one of the remotest parts of Fiji, and I believe this investment will bring huge benefits to the Fijians of Rambe and surrounding islands.